took me over 300 days to finally get to work on Cold Atom Lab, but it was worth it, and I'm looking forward to next week, too.
Thank you so much. We're so happy you're helping us.